Welcome to AGORACOM, the small cap epicenter of AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show, bringing the best press releases out of the small cap space every morning at the open, so you can hopefully profit from them. Maybe find your next great small cap investment. Monday, April the 2nd. I've got 11 press releases for you, but first, today's show being brought to you by Golden Hope Mines, GNH, on the TSX Venture Exchange. They're our sponsor for the entire month of April. When you're doing your due diligence, as you look into more small cap companies, take a look at Golden Hope Mines. You can take a look at the profile on AGORACOM or go straight to the website. But a great company, a great bunch of guys. Also, want to send out a shout out to the Screaming Eagles, who awarded me with this T-shirt, with this shirt on Saturday after our annual hot game. Thanks, guys. I appreciate it. Looking forward to next year. Now let's get straight to the news. First up, Encerico Corporation, OTCBB, ENSV. They reported full-year revenue, $24.7 million, up 32% from 2010, and adjusted EBITDA is up 47% to $3.1 million over last year. Now, because we've got so many news releases today, I'm going to go strictly with headlines, not into the details. Next up, SMTP Inc. trades on the OTC on the stock symbol SMTP. They reported their 2011 financial results. Revenues were up over 56% to $4.28 million. It's a global email marketing and delivery provider, so I like that space. You know it's only going to grow over time. And if a company's growing top line by 56%, taking over $4 million, you know they've got to be doing something right over there. Nova Lifestyle, OTC STVS, also put their 2011 numbers. They announced that sales are up 50%. Net income was up 28%. Now, I want to give you the sales number because if it's up 50% from $100, $150, doesn't matter. Net sales, $43.6 million. That's up 50% year over year. You know they got to be doing some good work there. Moving into the resources space, Freegold Ventures trades on the venture, FVL, for our friends in Germany, FR4N. They intersected 1.2 grams ton of gold over 132.5 meters at their Golden Summit project in Alaska. Lakeshore Gold, TSX LSG, also on the Amex under LSG, announced their reserve estimate for the Timmins West mine, a new reserve to support the next 5 years of production. The new reserve estimate for the Timmins West mine includes 824,000 ounces of gold, all in the probable reserve category. That's a big number. Closed on Friday, $1.03. New Millennium Iron Corp, TSX NML, they increased their resource estimate by 3.3 billion tons. Tell me that's not worth looking into. Great news there. Lackland Star Limited, TSX LSA, announced drill results from its CMD gold mine, including, listen to this, 157 meters grading 0.72 grams ton of gold and 139 meters grading 0.68 grams ton of gold. That's LSA on the TSX. Lupaka Gold Corp, TSX LPK, they filed their 43101 technical report for the updated mineral resource estimate on the Cruchero Gold Project, which I believe is in Peru. Indicated gold, 1.145 million ounces. Inferred, 647,000 ounces. Passport Potash, TSX Venture, PPI, for our friends in the U.S., PPRTF, they're announcing a new 43101 compliant mineral resource of 713.4 million tons, which includes an indicated mineral resource of 125.6 million tons. Nice numbers there. Peter Kletas is doing some work, so go take a look at that company doing good work. Tigray Resources, TSX Venture, TIG, 31.75 meters of 1.84% copper, 0.83 grams ton of gold, 17 grams ton of silver, and 7.03% zinc. This is at their project in Ethiopia. Some big numbers there. Quantum Rare Earth Development, TSX Venture, QRE, for our friends in the U.S., QREDF, and for our friends in Frankfurt, BR3. They're reporting what they're calling, quote, significant update to the resource estimate at their Elk Creek niobium deposit in Nebraska. There looks like the addition of higher grade indicated status tonnage of 19.3 million tons and an increase in the inferred status tonnage from 80.1 million tons at 0.62% to 83.3 million tons at 0.63%. So they're up on both fronts there. That's a wrap. 11 headlines for you today. So much great news that we couldn't get into the details, but I didn't want to cut any of this out, so I got it over to you. Go take a closer look at each one of these companies. If you missed the stock symbols and you want to get further details about each press release, make sure you go to the front page of AGORACOM where you see a link to today's show from the headline section, and that'll give you all the notes that went into these press releases. That's a wrap. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.